Hey everybody, just figured you guys could use a glimpse of what the news will say is the worst quote-unquote storm in 10 years. I don't know, I think it's kind of pretty, but yeah, I'm taking the trash out, so I figured I'd make you guys a little video. So, this is my door. My glove hanging by paracord. My neighbor's door with a drift of snow. And this is our parking lot. Yeah, snow's rather deep. Up to top of my boot, which is 9 inches tall. We're supposed to get anywhere between 4 and 16 inches is what I've heard. Oh, this is lovely. Check this out. This is my trash comparison. Yeah. That bridge goes all the way across, so I'm going to try and jump it. It's maybe better over here. Oh, yeah, this looks like a little bit shorter. I'm going to zip up this part, going out into the snow. That will hopefully not harm my camera phone. Alright. Yep. I'm stepping in a little hole in the snow and it's past the boot. So this will probably be at least up to my knee. Alright. Got our vehicle. There we go. Yeah. Hauling. My wonderful street. Go walk in the tire track. Much easier. It's cold out today. Hands are getting a little cold. Put my glove on. And well, I'll make this a quick jog. This truck I just bought, don't worry, I still have the blue one. That's one we traded for cotton equipment because it's the raw bearing. Dad, you know what that means. So we ended up trading it because my friend who wanted to fix it and build a kind of racing car out of it. And he had that and started the gas mileage. Oh, this is pretty deep right here. I'm going to go over to my trash can. I missed. I'm over it. Alright. My other glove on. You can see it's pretty snowy out today. Right. Gonna make my way to our office. Beautiful in my opinion. From what I've heard, part of the roof of our Quarter Rock hotel and casino has collapsed earlier today due to snow. And the snow plows are stuck. So it's maybe this, relatively snowed in early for today. People in cars are pretty much screwed. Really no chance of anything happening today. All the snow closed. I highly doubt it. And Walmarts here don't close. They're all the way far. As you can see, snow is up over my boots. I'd say about, where it's not sheltered, about 12 or 14 inches of snow. Oh, good. Free Wi-Fi. And mission accomplished. Rent check deposited. This is kind of nice right here. Yeah, I don't think they're going to return. But yeah, happy Tuesday. That wind kicks up, so it's actually cold. The rest of it really isn't that cold. But yeah, that's fun. Definitely enjoying myself. Anyway, so just kind of hanging out, relaxing, being on the internet, making phone calls. You know what kind of stuff you gotta catch up on after work for a lot. I can look around. Pretty much past ice right here, or past snow. You can see the grass still there. Well, back to my street. Get back inside. As much as I like it out here, I need to stay dry, warm. And when I go in, because none of this is going away. Alright, well, it's been good talking to you. And I'm trying not to face plant on the way back to my house. Love you guys a lot. See ya.